the love of traditional food. So I have bananas here, pumpkin, arrowroot, and two potatoes. So let's prepare them. I want to peel them so fast. I'll show you once I peel them. No need of showing you how to peel them because you already know, right? I'm done with peeling using the maganda. So I just want to clean them very, very, very well. Yeah. Garlic plus ginger, capsicum, tomatoes, carrots, onions, then beef. First, I'm frying my onion with cooking oil. I'm adding beef. Then I'm adding garlic and ginger. After that, I add my tomatoes and carrots together. Then my green capsicum. So far, after adding tomatoes, carrots, and cooking them for a while, this is how they look. Then I'll put my merengue, that is pumpkin, banana, and arrowroot, our mixture. I'll then add little water, then cover. Give it some time for it to cook. Yeah. I have also corianders. So far they have boiled. It's kind of they are ready now. Yeah. So I'll just garnish them with corianders, cover for a while, then let them simmer and serve. Ready to be served. As you can see, that's all. That's how we make traditional food, the most loved traditional food. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next vlog. If you love it with more soup, you can add water.